Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to learn how you can make $100 on up to $200, maybe $300, maybe more, maybe nothing, maybe less. It's on you, by simply doing copy and paste work, which means we are going to teach you that how you can copy and paste videos, compile them together and upload them on your YouTube channel and then make money. Now for that, your channel don't need to be monetized as well. So we will tell you how you can make money with copy paste videos without even having 4,000 watch hours, without having any subscribers at all. So make sure you stick till the end. And before we start the video, in case you are a blogger, or if you are into affiliate marketing, you have your own website, and if you're paying for some hosting services every month, then there's a solution for your problem. You can click on the link in the description below and you can buy one-time hosting, which means that you don't have to pay every month if you are running your website or blog. Okay, now before we start this video, make sure that you watch the video till the end. The concept here is that if you are just doing window shopping, then you will not get any knowledge. Okay, the reason I'm saying that, because if you are going to watch 5 videos, those 5 videos will be 10 minutes long, so you can't watch all the videos completely. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna watch 5 videos, 2 minutes each, right? And that will not give you any knowledge. So here we are not doing fancy things. We are not here to entertain you. We are here to give you knowledge, okay? And you can't get the knowledge if you can't watch the complete video step by step. So this is my request. Instead of watching 5 videos for 2 minutes each, it is better to watch one video for 10 minutes, because then only you can understand what's going on in the world, what's going on, how you make money, how this how this person is making money. You can do that. You can do that if you follow the step-by-step tutorial here, okay? So we are going to check everything, how it works. Let's get to our screen right now. And if you want to be like this person who is just working on his computer and just doing copy and paste and making money, so yes, let's go ahead and start the video. The very first thing you're going to need to do the copy and paste is, of course, the videos. So how do you find those videos? For that, you need to go to Google search. Google gives you everything. So anything you ask with from Google, it is going to deliver to you. So you're going to ask for Pexel, and Pexel is this website here. As you can see, this is the pexel.com. You need to come to this website, pexels.com. There are other websites as well. Some are paid, some are free, but Pexels is absolutely free. That's why we have chosen this for this video. And once you're on this website, now you'll have to decide what is your niche, okay? Because these are going to be some music videos, music in the sense there will be some background music with pictures, with videos, and that is why you need to choose your niche, okay? Mainly you should go for 3 options. One is maybe travel, second is meditation, third is weight loss, fourth is fitness and gym. So you can choose one of these niches, and once you decide what will be your niche, then you will have to choose an affiliate program for that, okay? This is how you're gonna make money without having 1,000 subscribers, without having 4,000 watch hours. Now, if you are if you're a YouTuber, if you're making money, if you know what I'm talking about, then you can skip the video, because this video is purely for beginners who do not know what to do, how to make YouTube videos without showing their face, even without using their own voice, okay? So here I'm going to tell you step by step. Step 1 is choose your niche, right? Now let's say in this video we are going to take the example of maybe meditation, okay? So we are going to go with the meditation, and then we have to find some videos here. So we'll click on videos at the top, and this will give us a lot of videos regarding meditation, okay? Now let's compile one of these videos. If I'm going to open this one here, we will get the option of free download. Now make sure you check the info here. So at the top, at the bottom here, it says info, free to use, no attribution required. So what are you gonna do here? You have to check the info on every video to make sure that there's no copyright issue, and mostly on Pexel every video, every image is free to use, so you will not have any problems. After that, what you need to do is just click on free download here, and this will be downloaded into your what we call the downloads folder. Okay, now we have to compile a lot of videos like this because this video is only 22 seconds long, and if you are going to make a video which is 10 minutes long, maybe 15 minutes long, maybe just 5 minutes, so you will have to compile these kind of videos together, as per your video length. Okay, so if you're gonna let's say make a 5 minutes long video, for 5 minutes long video you will have to have video which will be 300 seconds long. So you will have to compile and add all these videos which will be 300 seconds long for a 5 minutes video. Now for this example here, I have downloaded a couple of clips only, and I'll show you how you can add everything in the background, how you can get everything ready, and then you can do more videos. You can compile and download all these more videos in your free time, and then you can give the background music. So let's go ahead and find the music now. How do we find the music? You have to go to the free music in YouTube section so that you don't get any copyright issues. And because we have chosen the meditation niche, let's find some music from meditation niche. Okay, so we are into our YouTube account here. As you can see, we're into audio library section. Now you have these generic audios. We need to filter them as per our niche. Okay, so we just type in here meditation. You can also type in the word peace or calm or piano music, so you can have a lot of filters if you want to. Now in this example here, we have got these kind of downloads or the music. I think I'll go with the first one. If you're gonna play it, you can play and hear how does it sound. So if you forward it, this is how it is. So you can choose your own music in your own time, but I'm just gonna go with the first one here. This is only for demo purposes. And once the music is downloaded, so now we have the ingredient ready. We have our videos ready. We have the music ready. Now we need to put everything together in a plate and then serve to the audience. Okay. Now here you are going to use a video editor player, and in your case, if you're using a Windows, I'll show you the demo on Windows 10 here. If you're using a Apple computer or Mac, you can go with iMovies. Okay, so on Apple you can go for iMovies, and in Windows you have to click on the start menu in the search box and just type in photo or type in video editor. So if you type in photos, click on this app here in Windows 10 and then click on video editor here on the top. Once you click on video editor, click on new video project, and then you have to give it a name. So maybe I'll give it a name as meditation. Okay, right, and you press OK here. Now you need to compile and add those files which we downloaded before from Pexel. So you click on add from this PC, you go into your downloads folder wherever the files were. In our case, we go to this downloads folder here, we add these 2 clips for example, and then you will need to drag them down into the storyboard here. Okay, now you can actually change them, sort them if you want to. You can have this one here, you can this one later. So it's like this one is in the morning, this one is in the evening, so it looks in a sequence. So I have sorted it out. Now our video is 48 seconds long. Okay, you have to make sure that you have enough picture clips, enough video clips here to make it a 5 minutes long video or maybe a 10 minutes long video. Okay, now let's do the voiceover or the background music here. So if you want a very fancy video, if you want somebody to speak in the background, some words, some poetry, in that case you will have to do some more research, or maybe pay somebody on Fiverr and get a script from there. But if you're beginning only, you don't really have to spend any money. You can only do simple background music without speaking, and that will help you to grow your audience first. Okay, so now let's move on to the next step. How do you add background music? So in Windows 10 you simply click on custom audio here, and if you're an Apple user, you can navigate to background music in your iMovie. Okay, you can look for that. Now let's click on custom audio, and then here you need to click on this plus symbol which says add audio file, and now we're gonna search for that audio file which we downloaded into our downloads folder. That's here it is. So you just open it, and then you will see that audio is added. Now this audio file is, I think, let me see how long it is. It's like 2 minutes and 34 seconds long. So this is going to fill our whole video. So our video was only 48 seconds long, 48 seconds long in this example. So this audio file will, will fill the whole video. But let's say if you have 5 minutes long video and this audio file is only 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the loop here. So let's say this video here is going to be 2 minutes and 30 seconds and you have 2 minutes and 30 seconds more to cover. Okay, so in that case you will click on add audio file again, and then you will choose the same file or maybe the other audio file as per your wish. And then here you can see you have to switch. Here it is, and then you have to transfer it to here. Okay, so here is the gap. Now you just fulfill the gap here. This is how you do it. Okay, there it is. So you'll have to just play around with the settings here. How do you fill the gap of the audio files if your video is longer than the length of the audio file? Okay, so you'll have to play around. And if you can't understand what I have done right now, there are two audio clips here. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, now both of the audio clips are going to fill the video duration. In this example, I don't have to use two audio files because it's only 48 seconds long video, but in your case you will need to use 2 or more audio files to make the video longer. All right, now we have everything which we need. Let me remove the second file which we don't need, and we're going to increase the length here. That's it. Now we're going to click on done, and then we will click on finish video on the top right. So once you make sure everything is in place, everything you have checked, click on finish video right on the bottom, right on the top right corner, and you choose 1080p. Click on export, give it a name, and that will go into your downloads folder, I think. Yes, and just click on export. Now I'm using the i7 16 GB RAM, so this is going to be faster for me. If you're using Core i3 or maybe Core i5, or if you have any 4 GB RAM, if you have only 8 GB RAM, that will take time. Okay, so if you're making 10 minutes long video, you might have to wait half an hour depending on how fast your computer speed is. All right, in my case it's doing a lot faster. That's why I can show you the live demo here. Otherwise I would have to wait, but it's okay, it's nearly done, and then we will see how it works. So another 2 seconds, maybe 3 seconds to go. There it is, it's going to play now. Very nice. Does it look fancy? It's very nice. I loved it. Okay, so this was only a 48-second video with two video clips and 1 audio background, and it looks fantastic to me. So similarly, you can go back to pexel.com. You can grab some more videos from here. Make sure you have enough videos to make 5 minutes, 10 minutes long video, and then find audios from YouTube library, some meditation audios, some peaceful audios. Put them in the background as we've shown you using the photo editor, the video editor in Windows 10, and the iMovie in Apple Mac. And that is how you can get these videos uploaded onto your YouTube channel without any copyright issues, because they're free to use. Now this is one part. Okay, let's say you got this video uploaded. Then next thing is that you'll have to make sure you optimize these videos, have some titles and everything. We will not cover how to, optimize titles, how to get traffic and everything in this video, because this video is getting longer anyway. So what you're going to do is, now once you have your video onto YouTube, you want to make money with that. Okay, that's what we told you in the beginning. So how do you make money? For that, you will have to join some affiliate networks, and we are going to go with ClickBank in this example here. Okay, so this is the ClickBank dashboard. All you need to do is click on Marketplace here, and once you're in the Marketplace, we need to find the relevant product for our videos. All right, now because we've chosen the meditation niche, in this case we can go for spirituality and alternate beliefs. Right, if you choose health and fitness or weight loss, you can go for this category. If you have chosen maybe gym and fitness, you can go for other, whatever the products here are, like green products. So you'll have to choose your niche accordingly by searching what will you be promoting. Okay, so in our case, you can promote spirituality when it comes to meditation. Here you can find which products you want to go with, maybe numerology or master Van Graves. So you have to do your own research with the product which you want to promote. But let's say in this here, we are going to do soul manifestation. Okay, so you're going to click on promote here. You're going to get your affiliate link from here, soul manifestation, and then you can copy the link by clicking on this thing here, and then you can go to bit.ly.com to make this link very beautiful. So you go to bit.ly, and then you just open in a new tab. All right, shorten, copy, and now once you have this link, and let's try how does this offer looks like. So what you can do is you can paste this link in the description of your meditation video and ask them, hey, do you want your soul reading to be done? Do you want your destiny to be revealed, and things like that? So just give the call to action in the description, and once somebody clicks on that link, they will be taken to this landing page. They will enter their name, their date of birth, and then it's they will go further and further and further into the funnel, and eventually when they pay for this thing, you will make some sell, you will make some money, even without having 1,000 subscribers, or even without having 4,000 watch hours, right? So this is how you get these things done. And again, this was for newbies only. We cannot tell you how to bring traffic in this video. It's getting very long anyway. So in next videos, we will tell you how to optimize your video titles, how to get traffic organically onto your YouTube videos, or maybe from social media platforms. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because here we don't waste time. Okay, we only deliver you content. If you are here for entertainment, sorry, we can't entertain you, because we can only deliver knowledge to you. Now it's up to you to take action, how fast you grab this knowledge, and when do you start working. Okay, so if you have found the value, leave your comments, like this video, and if you are a blogger or a website person looking for some reliable hosting, click the link in the description below, and that is how you can get a one-time price for your hosting needs. All right, now let's go ahead and stop this video, and thank you for watching. We'll see you shortly in the next video.